Is your Samsung washer showing a DC error code? This means the door isn't closed securely, preventing the cycle from starting. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, your washer should be ready to run safely. What does DC mean? The code signals the door is open or not latched properly. Laundry caught in the door or a misaligned seal can trigger this error. First, close the door firmly. Press down on the door until you hear a distinct click. This ensures the latch is engaged. If the door feels loose, check for obstructions in the seal or hinges. Next, inspect the door for trapped laundry. Remove any fabric or debris stuck in the door gasket. Even small items like socks or bra wires can prevent the door from sealing fully. If the error persists, clean the door seal. Moisture or residue can interfere with the latch mechanism. Wipe the seal with a dry cloth and ensure it's free of mold or grime. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!